All right, no more excuses, right? Maybe your New Year's resolution was to lose weight, and now it's February, and what's going on? Well, what if we told you that there are triggers that can help you drop pounds and then keep them off? Dr. Aronne has a new book. Here it is. It's called The Change Your Biology Diet. And Doctor, it worked for David Letterman. I was just reading the little preview of the book, and it said, David says in that book that you saved his life, really. He remembers heart trouble from a few years ago.
I've been his doctor for about 30 years, so Dave and I have known each other for some time. But the Change Your Biology diet is the result of all of our work over the years trying to understand why it's hard for people to lose weight. And I think we're making some serious progress right now.
And you said one of the big things is the order in which you eat food. And we were just chatting, and you said it's actually okay to eat bread, it's okay to eat carbs, but you got to do it after you eat the rest of your meal.
That's right, and this is something people have never really heard before. Everyone's on a low-carb diet, they're losing weight, they're doing great, but at some point they can't stick with it anymore. They just get the cravings to eat bread, rice, pasta, potatoes. And what we found is that if you have the carbs at the end of the meal, you have that piece of bread or potatoes at the end of the meal, it has very little impact on your blood sugar, on your insulin levels, on your metabolism. If you have it at the beginning, it has a massive effect.
So why do restaurants bring us bread before we start eating?
They do it because you'll eat more food. It's exactly what they want you to do. If you eat the bread at the beginning and you have a drink, it's very hard to control your appetite and reduce what you're eating. If you start out with the exact same food with vegetables, salad, and a protein, it's very easy to control how much you eat.
Okay, bread at the end of the meal. You also say exercise. We don't need to go to the gym. It's more about what we're doing throughout the day.
Well, people get focused on going to the gym. Is it great if you go to the gym? Yeah, that's terrific, but not everybody has the time. If you just do lifestyle change where you're walking instead of driving around the mall to get that last spot right next to the door, right? Just pull in, park, and walk the rest of the way. That kind of stuff helps you in the long run. Those lifestyle changes are much easier to stick with in the long run than going to the gym.
It sounds so easy. Change when we eat our carbs and our bread, just walk a little bit more. But some people say that, look, everybody in my family has always been overweight. I've really struggled with this. How much does biology play a part in it?
Biology plays an important role, but the question is how much are you going to weigh, and that is flexible. There's at least a 10, 20, in some cases much more of a weight difference if you make the effort to lose and if you don't make the effort to lose. And that's the critical weight. So if your body says that you should be about 200 pounds, if you weigh 185, you're going to be much, much healthier. And you know, what you eat plays a physical role. If you eat protein for breakfast, for example, it cuts your appetite later in the day. Whereas if you start with something sweet, starchy like cereal or a donut, people can't control their appetite later in the day. These are some of the things we talk about in the Change Your Biology diet that make it a lot easier for people to lose weight.
And you go into a lot more detail in the book. Dr. Aronne, thank you so much. All right, more information about Dr. Aronne and this Change Your Biology diet, all the details, just go to KCAL9.com. You can check out Seen on TV. Juan?